and we can embrace the livery because we've got a modernized Brawn GP livery for season number 4. So there we have it, a modern Brawn GP car, but of course this is the Aarava Jensen Team Rocket RGN car. There it is, we've got these sky prominent logos on the side pole that work really well actually. I was a bit worried that the sky logo was not going to fit very well in the car, but with the kind of colour splash over the top of the logo, it just fits really well with the red and complements just the white in a really standout way. And then we've got the, you know, the classic red stickering everywhere to kind of match what we had with the Brawn GP days in 2009. We've got a familiar nod to Virgin Media on the rear wing, but then we've got my own sponsor, of course, with Thrustmaster and Elgato, and then the kind of usual Nike and Jordan. And then also, as I mentioned, we've got some of Jensen's sponsors that are used on the GT car. And also the front wing, you'll notice a little nod to a classic sponsor from the 09 car. This was based off and used part of a livery mod that was ordered in Race Department as well, which I'll link below, and then I added my own little flair and touches to it, and it's come out really, really nice. I'm really happy with it. I think, you know, straight off the bat when you look at it, you think Brawn GP, but then you look a bit closer and you can see the differences and the more kind of modern twist to it, as it were, with the different sponsors we've got. And kind of, I think we've done really well to blend the Aarava Archer Racing brand and the Team Jensen RGN brand together really, really well for this livery in this season.